Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMU and COWSAR models. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, but they come at very different price points. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the SMUG countertop ice maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69, making it accessible for many households. In contrast, the COWSAR model is priced at a staggering $679, positioning it in the premium category. This significant price difference raises questions about the value offered by the COWSAR model, especially given that both machines share similar ice production capabilities. Both the SMUG and COWSAR ice makers boast impressive ice production rates, generating 26.5 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period. They can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for parties or gatherings. However, the SMUG offers the added benefit of 2 selectable ice sizes, which the COWSAR does not explicitly mention. This feature can enhance the versatility of the SMUG for different beverage needs. Another important factor to consider is noise level during operation. The COWSAR ice maker is designed to operate quietly, with a noise level under 42 decibels, making it suitable for use in quieter environments. On the other hand, the SMUG does not specify its noise level, which could be a concern for users sensitive to sound. If a peaceful atmosphere is a priority for you, the COWSAR may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the SMUG and COWSAR countertop ice makers offer impressive ice production capabilities, but they cater to different market segments. The SMUG is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for functionality and versatility, while the COWSAR appeals to those willing to invest in a premium product with low noise operation. Whichever you choose, both machines will keep your drinks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.